Hi guys, in this video we will see how we can combine multiple PDFs into one PDF using Python. So this is very simple. So let's go into the code and understand line by line. So first of all, we are importing a library which is OS, known as operating system. Basically this library provides us access to all the contents which is there on your desktop, I mean operating system. So let's import it. If it is not there, you can just go to your Anaconda suite if you are using Anaconda and write pip install OS. And if you are using Python without Anaconda suite, so you can just go to command prompt and run this command pip install OS. Similarly, for this specific library, which is pypdf2, which will help us to access the basically read the PDF files and merge the PDF files. So using this library only, we will be achieving our main task. So run this command. So we are importing these two modules, PDF file merger and PDF file reader, from library pypdf2. So for installing this, you have to write pip install pypdf2. Make sure you are writing the correct fonts, like this is in small letters and this is in capital. So next is we're creating a object which is merged object using this module PDF file merger. Let's run this line. And next we are creating a list of items which is there in this directory. Let me show what all are there in this directory. So here we have few PDFs and few images. Let me delete these images. So basically I converted these JPG and PNG file into these PDFs. If you want to see how to convert images into PDFs, you can refer to my different video. I will provide a link to it in which you can see how to convert images into PDFs. So for now I am deleting these images since it's not required. We will just access these PDFs. So I'm just copying this path and we'll paste it here, but one catch is the path comes with the forward slashes, so you have to convert it into backslashes. That's the catch, and at the end you have to pass one more slash. That's all. And next, and so let me run this and it will give the items which is there in the directory. So we have a list by name of items. It has 5 items. Let's check in the directory. So in the directory we have these file PDFs. So you can see download image.pdf till year 2020. So we are good till now. Now the next thing is we will iterate through each item which is there in this list items and will do the required operation. So first item will be download image.pdf, second will be light.pdf, and as per the iteration it will end up to year 2020.pdf. So for PDF item in items, it will access this list and pick the first item. It will print the item, and we are putting a condition if PDF item, which means download image.pdf dot split, we are splitting it by dot. That means by using this dot, it will be split it into two parts, which will be first part will be download image and second part will be PDF. So if the second part, which means this index 1, is equal to PDF, then we will convert this into we will merge this into one PDF. Let's see how it will happen. So we will use this merged object which is created here, dot append. We are appending into one PDF by using PDF file reader. So here we are giving the path where we want to access the file. So here PDF item is coming from here, and RB is a format which we are using to read this file PDF. Let me run this code. This is done. You can see one by one all of the files are merged, and now it is there in the merged object, but there will be no output till now. You can see merged file is not there. Now the last thing is we will write from this merged object to the respective PDF. So merged object dot write, we will give the path where we want to save the PDF, and we can change the name here, I mean the output file. So let's run it. So this is done. merged file output.pdf should be in our directory now. Let's go to this. So here, yes, you can see that it is just now 12:19, which is the time right now. So let me open it. It will have 5 images which was there. So first one is download, second is the colors, third is the tattoo, fourth is the tiger, and fifth is the year 2020. Let me close it, and you can see that all the PDFs are merged into one by just running few lines of code in Python, which is super easy. I will also provide this code on my GitHub link. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more exciting videos on Python. And if you have any question or any queries or any errors you are facing in running this code, please put in the comment. I will try to answer them within 24 hours. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you soon.